Hi guys, I'm Ashif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this effect and I used the texture from MidJourney. So that AI tool I used to create that texture. So let's start this. I hope you have heard the name MidJourney, and that is AI tool to create text to images, and you can just join the server on Discord, and then in UB you can just type a command, promote command, and you can create very cool images. So let's create something that we can use in Unreal to create effects. So what I'll do, I'll create a new folder, mid journey 1. Okay, in this folder we will actually put that effects. Type / imagine prompt. Now you can type your thing. So like I want flame, circle, shape. Okay, that's it, and see how it goes. So you can just copy the link of your message, or you can just create the thread also.